Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 28th, 2022. Yeah, the buyers stepped up. They came into the market in Apple and they actually stood up price right there where I told you all, around $150. Yeah, I'm going to talk about it. Don't worry about it. I got you. This is what I do. I do price predictions. I try to get prepared and show you all where I'm looking for the market to go so that we can have the competitive advantage amongst everyone else who is trying to make money. Yeah, that's what we have to do in order to win and profit in the stock market. So if you guys want to join me, guess what? The doors are open. You guys can hit the like button. You guys can share the video. You guys can also subscribe to the channel. You guys can also tap that bell notification as well, so you do not miss out on my content. All right, so check this out. I did a video for Apple on March the 13th. Go back and listen to it. I've said it. I told everyone to pay attention to see if the buyers were going to step up Apple's price at $150, and literally the same day, the day after March the 15th, the market went up. That was the start of the buyers pushing up Apple's price. So if you guys saw that video and you saw the next day on the 15th, yeah, you should have taken the profitability out the market. It's just that simple. The answers are already on the chart. How do you all think I told you back then to be on the lookout for the market to hold price around $150? Yeah, go back and listen. I'm not hiding anything from you. I'm keeping it real. I'm keeping it 100. I'm keeping it a buck to show you all that that actually was the case. So that was around 9.14%, right? Since then, yeah, Apple's price has been going up. Got it. Cool. Not surprised. But check this out. Seemingly, Apple's price did not just go up, it went up. Right? It's seemingly every day that the market traded in Apple following March the 15th, Apple stock had just shot up. It never had a down day. Every day the market in Apple traded, it went up. And that was a 16% run over the last week or so. Last 2 weeks, the market just went straight up. That's astronomical. Like, look at this chart. You rarely see Apple just go straight up in price. Like, that's the first time you actually seen the market in Apple just go straight up without any down day. Makes you wonder, how strong is the market in Apple for real, right? So we're still in the trend. Yeah, everyone should still be buyers into the market in Apple, because price on this last leg down right here did not break this ascending line. So guess what? The overall environment in Apple is still bullish. Cool. That's simple. That's easy. And not only that, we added something else to maintain the bullishness into the market in Apple. The market did not fall below 150, just like I told you on my last video. So we got two areas that the buyers are standing up Apple's price, 150 and even this trend. These are the two things that are cash nets for Apple's price. These are the areas that we would expect the buyers to continue to hold the market and not let fall. These two lines right there. All right. So let me go ahead and get rid of that. So obviously, the movement of 16% over the last couple of weeks in Apple's price, you would suspect that, man, if the market never went down, right? Price just continued shot up on a day-to-day basis in Apple. Are you expecting the market to come down now? Because at some point, we are topping out into the market in Apple, right? Look at this. We've seen it already, right there around 175. Apple was having issues and its stock price of going higher. So let's keep it a buck. Let's keep it real. The market may now finally go down in price, but all is not lost. No, it's not. I'm going to show you on a longer term perspective that Apple may actually try to make all-time highs again before we might see a bigger move to the downside. Now, would you want somebody to give you a heads up about that before the market even gets there? Yeah, of course you would. So this area up here is the top, right? Around $182. So as I zoom out, look at this. This is a very wide range that we can expect to see the market in Apple trade. Very wide. Look at this. So really, we can see Apple's price trade anywhere between this rectangle, block, circle that I created. You guys can see it. Be prepared for this amount of volatility to occur in Apple's price. Just give me all a heads up. Now, let me show you all the 2 weeks time frame in Apple. Okay, look at this. The last 2 weeks, just look at the last 2 weekly price bar. Just pay attention, and you guys can tell that that last 2 weekly price bar has erased all of the effort, all of the people who sold their Apple into the market. The last 4 2 weekly price bars was literally kicked out the way. It wasn't even a problem for the market to literally erase that, like it never even happened. Like the market in Apple never even went down. This 1 2 weekly price bar took it all out the way. That's massive. That's huge to show you that, yeah, Apple has the ability to attempt all-time highs. That is just looking at this from a 2 week perspective. What about on the 3 weeks? Look at that. It's even more bullish into the market in Apple. For us to trend lower, come through the last 3 weeks, grab $150 as the stand-up point for the buyers, and then we saw the market close at the high of the bar. I don't know what else to tell you. The market in Apple is looking pretty strong, right? Look at this on the 5 weeks time frame. The last 2 5 weekly price bars, the last 10 weeks, the market in Apple in the first 5 weeks went down. The market in Apple in the second 5 weekly price bar went up. That's bullish. Okay, just that simple. The market here in Apple is still geared for higher prices, and I'm just showing you all the price. The market is letting us know what the overall consensus is. It's telling you that they want to uplift Apple's price. The value of Apple's price is one of value. They're looking to increase this stock's price. That's where the market is trying to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to continue to play that right now. Like I said, we've seen this stock price increase 16%. So I'm looking for us to actually see from out the gate Apple's price going down. Yes, I am. And I'm going to bring it all the way down to there, $162, right? As long as we see Apple's price hold that, I'm going to look for the market to try to make all-time highs. Okay, might even go higher than that from what I've seen on the three weekly time frame. Okay, but that's about it. We can still get 4.25%, 4.5% off the market in Apple. But first, yeah, be prepared for us to get some selling, because people trying to take the bag. I mean, that was a great run up in price. Like, let's keep it a buck. That was a very good move. So if you guys saw that at 150, you are sitting on pretty good gains right now. So why not take the bag? Because definitely somebody's about to. All right. So now let me bring this back down just a little bit. And that's it. I want to know though, I mean, how high do you think Apple's price is going to go? Do you think as we go throughout 2022 that this market can hit $200? Like, that's not that far. You think the market can hit $200? I'm gonna bring it up there just in case. All right. Now, real quick, let me know, what do you all think about Apple's price? Where do you think the market is going to go over the next couple of weeks? All right, I'm done. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.